Hello and welcome to another update video about Kaspa. Kaspa should still ideally move higher in this fifth wave as communicated before. But first of all, it obviously needs to complete its correction there in this larger support box, which is between 10.8 cents and 7.1. There are three Fibonacci levels that should provide support. First one is 10.8 cents. We're below that at the moment, but it's normally the first level that we want to see the market get to in a wave 4, and we currently see this pullback as a fourth wave. Then we've got the 38.2 retracement at 8.6 cents. That's normally the ideal target for a fourth wave. And the 50% Fibonacci level would be quite a deep wave 4. To be honest, I would prefer if the price doesn't even get there. Can I rule out that it's getting there? No, of course not, right? But it's a little bit too deep for a wave 4, or let's say it's the maximum such a wave 4 should really do. Ideally, another wave 5 to the upside follows as soon as the price has formed a low here in this region. I'm going to zoom in a minute to take a look at what that means and which levels basically need to break. But at the moment, market continues to be here in this uptrend. Okay, so I see this primarily as an ABC structure. I see it as wave A to the upside, which topped here in March, April. Then the pullback in a B wave. And the C wave is a 5-wave move. This is unfolding right now. That's the perspective I have. It could turn into something different, like a larger diagonal, but it's certainly not an impulse. There are too many overlaps in the price, okay? Too many overlaps. Overlapping and corrective price action, so it's not impulsive. Also the subwaves, yeah, they are not clearly 5-wave structures. But anyway, that doesn't mean it couldn't be an uptrend. It is an uptrend. We're also holding above this ascending trend line at the moment. And if we see the price move higher in this fifth wave, so there you go. If we see the price move higher in this fifth wave, the next upside target remains at 25.7 cents. I will be able to specify that probably a little bit further as soon as we have a confirmed low in place in this support region, but at the moment I don't have a confirmed low in place. So let's go to the 4-hour chart again. So here we see that the price started obviously a correction here on the 18th, 19th of November. We have a 3-wave pullback into the December lows. That's a crystal clear 3-wave pullback. And I label it as an A, B, C structure. Then, however, we moved up, but not really impulsively. And there are different ways how we could see that. But to be honest, I think the best way to actually label it is as a WXY. So basically the ABC was the wave W. Then we have an ABC in the X wave and an ABC in the Y wave. So it could really be close to completion, I should say. No, that's fine. So what is a WXY structure? Well, it depends on what kind it is, but it typically consists of 3 ABC structures. So ABC in wave W, ABC in wave X, and basically that means it's just full of corrective structures. ABC in wave X and then ABC in wave Y. A wave down, B wave up, C wave down. That's typically it. So corrective structures in each of the subwaves. Whereas, for example, an ABC has 5 waves in the C wave. Now, what can we define as sort of maybe like key levels to watch? I mean, the next support level here is 8.59 cents. And if we take a look at the W, so we take the measurement, we measure wave W, go to the high of the X wave, then the 100% extension level takes us to 7.96 cents. That's one of the key targets, okay? And the 1.236 extension, I leave that on the chart as well, that's at 7.08 cents. So basically good overlap down there with a 50% Fibonacci retracement. So they are levels I leave on the chart. Another way is to measure the target by taking the length of the A wave. Let me just think. about, yeah, okay, let's take that as A wave. Then we go to the high of the B. Okay, and here it's already reached the 100% extension, so it's reacting. Basically, these are just additional levels to watch at 9.7 cents, 9.06, and 8.1. So we've already reached the first, you could say, target. So it can turn around at any point. Also here, we've made a new low this week. And that's ideal because in these corrections, we want to see the last wave of the correction make a new low. So we'll see. I mean, it could turn around at any point, I would say. How can we confirm that? Let's say a first indication that it's turning around is a break above this B wave high and the previous swing high from December. So here we talk about 13 cents. Basically, a break above 13 cents, a sustained break, would suggest that a low has formed in this fourth wave and that we're moving up in a fifth wave. That's my update about Kaspa. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.